If something is insipid, it's tasteless. It's very bland. It's like tasting mass-produced mozzarella cheese. It's bland, it has no flavor at all. It's insipid. Think of insipid in terms of its synonyms. Bland, flat, flavorless, vapid. But insipid isn't just about food. It's also a metaphor for anything that's boring or lacking in character. Picture this. You're in a university lecture. The professor is monotonous, the curriculum feels ancient, and the classroom is as inspiring as a brick wall. Yep, you guessed that. That's an insipid lecture. We generally use the word in its adjective form. Insipid is an adjective. Insipidly is the adverb. Insipidness is the noun. Let's see these words in action. The soup was insipid and needed more seasoning. He gave an insipid performance that did not hold the audience attention. Critics described the film as insipid and unoriginal. The actor played the role insipidly, with no real emotion or passion. Notice insipidly is the adverb. The insipidity of the meal made the dinner forgettable. Here we use the noun insipidity. The presentation was marked by an insipidity that bored the audience. To summarize, insipid is an adjective we use to describe something that lacks stimulation. Whether it's a meal or a movie, if it's insipid, it's forgettable.